So for dessert, we are going to make taho. Okay? If you don't know what taho is, then you might want to Google it. Okay? So you make the what is this called? The tapioca pearls. Okay? I got the colorful ones so that my girlfriend will like it. Okay? Tapioca colorful. Okay? Tapos you you boil till it's clear, so you can see through. Okay? So after that, then you wait about 5 minutes. Okay? It should be clearing in about 5 minutes. So we'll come back to you after it's clear. Okay, bye. Okay, so we put some brown sugar. Okay? Because it makes the tapioca balls a little sweat. Okay? You know, sweat, like very sweat. Okay, so we're gonna mix that, okay, and we let it, we cover. We put the cover after we mix, okay? And then we let it boil for a couple minutes, okay? And then we'll be good to go. Okay, come back later. Bye. So we're making the syrup, okay? But first, we need to make boiling water. Over here, you come over here and you look. You see, it's a bubbly because it's boiling because it's very hot, okay? So you take the dark brown sugar, okay, and you just put it in. You put it in. Okay. So we wait for that to dissolve. Okay. Okay. So next, we're gonna do the tofu. Okay. You need to get the extra soft. Okay, because the extra soft is very good. Okay, you don't want it hard. It's like your it's not that kind of hard you want. You know what I'm saying? It's too hard. Okay, so you want to take the extra thing, okay, and then you want to put it in a cup, okay, and then you heat for 1 minute. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, you put it in the microwave. 1 minute. 1 minute. Too long. Okay, so we heat for 1 minute. Okay, see, it is hot. Okay, a steam is coming out. You take some pearls. Okay, you put it on top, just like that. Okay, you want more? Okay, sure. Okay, you want more? Okay, sure. There you go. Okay, see, and then you take the syrup. You take the big scoop one, okay? You mix this, okay? You mix it nice and easy, okay? Then you take it. Right there, okay? You have taho right there, okay? Taho. Thank you, okay? You come anytime you want. Okay, bye-bye. Me! I laughed, sorry. You come anytime you want. Okay, bye-bye.